Good morning. Are you Robert?
Yes, I am.
Pleased to meet you. I'm Julie, your coworker here.
Great to meet you too.
I'm here to help. This is your desk right here.
Oh, okay. This is a nice office.
Do you know anybody here?
No, I don't. Hey, Raquel.
Simon, long time no see. Please come in.
Great to see you again.
It's really good to see you. Oh, here's Patrick. Patrick, meet Simon.
Hello, Patrick. How do you know Raquel? Are you a friend of hers?
I'm her husband.